guys, my name's REA Taz. The stripy green cushion is out, which means it's Saturday morning and we're doing some more mods to Doug. There's a clear tail light covers. I bought them in from India. Absolute nightmare to get. It's taken me a couple of goes and I'm not even sure I'm going to like the look of them, but we'll put them on and see how it goes. We're going to need amber bulbs. Let's put one on, see how it goes. So these are 10 watt. As are they. So it shouldn't, in theory, change the rate that my blinkers blink. So why am I doing this, you say? It's that long, drawn-out quest for a more period look on Doug. The other aspect of clear tail light, clear lenses, is it reduces the complexity of the colour scheme. Makes it look a little bit more period correct, in my opinion. So these have actually been quite an ordeal to get. They're reasonably expensive for what they are. The bulbs and the lens covers added up to being about $70. And the first seller on eBay disappeared off the face of the planet with taking my money with them. So that's in the process of having a PayPal case launched against them. And these came from another seller, but they took a ridiculously long time to arrive. I think it's taken me all up probably 2.5, almost 3 months to get this mod on. So hopefully it works without any real problems. Go up to the front of the bike. So it's literally just a Phillips head screwdriver. Pop the bulb out. New. So if you're doing mods to your lights, just try and match the wattage, otherwise you'll end up with hyper flash issues. So guys, that's the clear indicator lens covers there, and I think they actually look pretty good. Because I've matched the wattage of the bulbs to standard, they flash at the correct interval. The bulb itself's amber, it stands out, and I think it gives it a little bit more classic look. I could have changed the entire blinker mechanism, but I wanted to do something different and put the clear lenses on just to give you an impression of what it could look like. I'm actually quite happy with it. They were quite expensive, all up with the bulbs and the clear lenses. It was about $70, but I'm really actually quite impressed. I think they look great. We'll go around the back and have a look. That's them there, and yeah, look fantastic. I think it reduces the number of colours on the bike. To have those big bright amber plastic covers made those indicators look a little bit plasticky and cheap, and with the clear covers, with the clear lenses, it looks just a little bit more period correct and it looks different. I'm really happy with them actually, and I think they're bright enough to certainly see and indicate to people whether I'm turning left or right, as they should. Guys, great little modification. Quick simple one. Link will be in the description. Guys, my name's REA, and I'll see you next time. Till then, I'm out.